Folding.
Folding.
She is folding her clothes neatly.
She is folding her clothes neatly.
Ironing.
Ironing.
She is ironing her shirt.
She is ironing her shirt.
Sweeping.
Sweeping.
She is sweeping the floor.
She is sweeping the floor.
Organizing.
Organizing.
She is organizing her desk.
She is organizing her desk.
Decorating.
Decorating.
She is decorating her room.
She is decorating her room.
Packing.
Packing.
She is packing her bag.
She is packing her bag.
Carrying.
Carrying.
She is carrying a heavy box.
She is carrying a heavy box.
Delivering.
Delivering.
She is delivering a package.
She is delivering a package.
Ordering.
Ordering.
She is ordering food online.
She is ordering food online.
Paying.
Paying.
She is paying the bill.
She is paying the bill.
Counting.
Counting.
She is counting money.
She is counting money.
Planning.
Planning.
She is planning her day.
She is planning her day.
Scheduling.
Scheduling.
She is scheduling a meeting.
She is scheduling a meeting.
Preparing.
Preparing.
She is preparing dinner.
She is preparing dinner.
Choosing.
Choosing.
She is choosing a dress.
She is choosing a dress.
Comparing.
Comparing.
She is comparing two products.
She is comparing two products.
Fixing.
Fixing.
She is fixing a broken chair.
She is fixing a broken chair.
Repairing.
Repairing.
She is repairing her bike.
She is repairing her bike.
Building.
Building.
She is building a small shelf.
She is building a small shelf.
Planting.
Planting.
She is planting flowers.
She is planting flowers.
Harvesting.
Harvesting.
She is harvesting vegetables.
She is harvesting vegetables.
Feeding.
Feeding.
She is feeding her pet.
She is feeding her pet.
Watering.
Watering.
She is watering the plants.
She is watering the plants.
Training.
Training.
She is training her dog.
She is training her dog.
Exercising.
Exercising.
She is exercising in the gym.
She is exercising in the gym.
Stretching.
Stretching.
She is stretching her body.
She is stretching her body.
Meditating.
Meditating.
She is meditating quietly.
She is meditating quietly.